Pwede nyo gamitin yung steak knife para mas madali. So by the way, banana posture, saan ba nanggaling si banana posture? Inaral nyo ba? Di ba binigyan ko sa inyo ng saan ba galing to banana posture? In New Orleans, di ba? Tama ba? Then spread out this one here. So, this one is caramelized ha. Huwag niyo pong ididikit masyado. Once na caramelized na po siya, didikit.
Burn.
Actually, may technique po ako dito eh. Ginagamit ko na agad. Then yung peel niya, yung kanyang balat, it adds also aroma, taste. Then after that, just right time to increase, no? Wala na. Diba? You see the texture? Ready. Okay. And now, it's the right time to do the flambe. And do the flambe simple like this, guys. Put it here like this, sa dulo. Like that. Then high heat. Let it boil. Imagine, guys, the alcohol, it will ignite even it's not. Diba? And the secret of this one, it adds cracker. And you low heat mo na. That's the secret. Okay. Masusunog siya pag okay, ingat guys ha. That's the purpose. And it's the right time to add the banana. Okay. Let it boil. So simmer lang to guys. Put it here. And kumidirang also can assist this one. Removing. Oh, baba. May paginabang. This one sa baba na rin. Baba. Okay, let it boil. Okay. And after that, 1, 2, 3, 4. The difference guys. Gano'n lang ang technique. Wala, tama na. Kapait. Gano'n lang, di ba? Oh. Oh, di ba? Basic. Huwag kayong kakabahan. That's the procedure. And low heat again. Let it simmer. Oh, balik ka rin mo ulit. Pwede naman. Diba? Check the sauce. What do you think, everyone? Tama lang ba? Exciting ba? Okay. Pag naputol to, putol. So, hayaan mo muna mag-simmer siya ng konti. Since na hindi naman kamag-anak, 1 lang.
1 lang.
Para kumasya. Isa lang ba yan? Dalawa yan.
Yung isang top sa atin lang.
Actually, this one, pwede mong ilapit guys, para hindi kayo mahirapan.
Tawag yun sir, banana
ice cream.
flambe.
Kasi lumambot na eh.
Anong tawag yun? Poster.
Sorry. Okay lang yan guys.
Pwede mo gumawa ng sariling plating sa
Ano gusto mong gawin?
Pwede may idea.
Wow.